Bhanumati Suresh is asking that I thought segregated portfolio is applicable only in case of debt or hybrid funds, where AMC perceives default in companies, bonds, or non-convertible debentures held by them. I got letter from AMC where I am holding only equity fund to opt for redemption in case I don't agree to its segregation. Is this applicable to me since I have only equity fund? Equity funds typically have very small allocation to fixed income instruments, and it can well be applicable there, because if the equity fixed income component or the bond investments in an equity fund is facing such a trouble or facing such a crisis, then there could be need of a segregation. Segregation is a very useful thing. If you look at it, if a bond gets into if a repayment of a principal or interest from a bond is difficult, then at least your interest is guarded, that whenever the issue gets resolved, you will be entitled to that benefit. So in that sense, in equity fund, typically it should not be there. Generally, it won't be the situation, but it can happen. Many hybrid funds have significant bond allocation. Many equity funds have 5 to 10% into fixed income as well. And this particular notice that you have got, it is primarily a situation that the fund had a prospectus, but it was not enabled. It is enabling them to actually position for such a situation in future. But that doesn't mean that the segregation is going to happen. In case of equity fund, I really don't visualize that a fund is going to face a situation with a fixed income investment that will translate into a segregation of a portfolio, or what is popularly called as side pocketing.